Let's see how to add 2 WhatsApp accounts in one app. Open your WhatsApp. Click on 3 dots. Go to Settings. Click on plus icon. And then click on Add Account. Allow Agree and Continue. Here enter your phone number. After entering the number, click on Next. If number is correct, then click on Yes option. You will receive an OTP on your registered number. If the number is active on the phone, it will be verified automatically. Here click on Cancel option. You can create a press key later if you want. Now enter your profile name and add your profile, or you can add a profile pic later. Then click on Next. WhatsApp account has been added. So this is simple process to add 2 WhatsApp account in one app. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.